Hello everyone, Greg King here, and welcome to my video on how to promote your business locally on YouTube. In this video, I'll share with you the 10 steps of how you can get your local business up on the first page of YouTube. And in a moment, I'll share with you the 5 examples of how you can do it within a day. Let's get started. Life has changed after the COVID-19 when it comes to marketing and advertising. And what we've noticed is a real shift in people's attitudes. And instead of going to a store, to a retail, or to a trades store, people are now going online first, searching their target, and then going to YouTube to get a review on what the store looks like. And one of the things that is really noticed is if the small business person can actually do this effectively, and we can show you how to do it with no money, that it'll make a huge difference and put you 1 to 10% above your competition. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to create a new YouTube channel for business. And, a lot of people have a YouTube channel. However, it's a personal channel, and you really want to separate your business from your personal YouTube channel. The next is to make an interesting thumbnail. And I'll get that to in a second when I show you the examples of how we can actually get you on the first page of YouTube. Next is ask viewers to subscribe. It's no different than asking for the deal. Is after presentation and after you've done the work in enrolling people, you want them to ask them to buy. It's the same as asking them to subscribe, because the more subscribers, the more visible you are to the local area. Organize your videos into playlists. I hate to be a Debbie Downer. However, to make this effective, one's going to have to make between 8 and 10 videos, because the power that YouTube has and its parent company, Google, for searches is overwhelming. And this is the key to having you be on the first page organically for no money. Learn about your audience. Don't sell widgets when you're selling dental wear. That's a pretty obvious saying, but make sure you keep it very audience specific. In other words, selling widgets in the northwest corner of 8th and Bride since 1927. That will actually get a very specific audience participation. Research your competition. Never bang your competition. Never blast them. Never do anything like that. Always make sure that if you have a superior product, that you actually share that. So in other words, if the person has a widget for $1.99 made in China, you would say, our widgets are American made and they're only 99 cents. Pick the right keywords. The right title makes a huge difference. So when you do this, and I can show you this because I've got a book in regards to this, that you want to go and make sure that the words that people are searching fall in line with the product you're selling. Write a compelling video description, which is easy. What you do when you do your YouTube video, underneath it, write a comment. Fill out your YouTube business profile. As simple as that may sound, it makes a huge difference for YouTube and Google to actually position your videos on the front page. And finally, like any accountant would say, analyze and adapt. If it isn't working, if one of your videos is not working, scrap it and concentrate on another video. Now, I've just given you a brief overview on the basics on how to actually get your local business on YouTube on the front page organically and be head and shoulders above the competition. Now, what I want to share with you a little more in depth, if you want to get my ebook, which I'm going to put as a link that's completely free and a bonus with this video, it'll go a little more into depth of how to promote your business locally on YouTube. Now, for the meat of the conversation, which I promised you the examples, and we're going to go to the very first example. And what this was how to use social media for small business marketing. It was a video that I made, and it went organic, and it was posted organic on the first page. It ranked number 4, not number 3. Well, it's number 3.5. Let's just say 4. And it happened in just one day, which I was really happy with. Then the second one I did, this did rank number 3, and it ranked on the first page again. And you can see where the 3 ads are occurring. Then the organics are below that, and I'm number 3. And I did it, and you can see over here, it was done in just 18 hours, and it was done at no cost. The third example is once again on number 3, once again organically posted, first page, and this time it happened in just 7 minutes. So it just goes to show you, if you put some steps together that I've shared with you and put 8 to 10 videos, which seems like a lot of work, but they're only 3 to 4 minute videos, you can get on the front page, stay on the front page with your video, with your business, I should say. Now, the next example I have is example 4, which once again, organically posted. This happened number 3 again, below the ads that you see that are paid ads. It ranked number 3, and it occurred in just 4 minutes. So it went from 0 to number 3 ranking on the first page in just 4 minutes. And the one that's it still amazes me of how this happened. This is number 5, the example 5, organically posted, first page again, ranked number 4, and you can see my other video now is ranked number 3. So I've got 2 of the 4 videos are ranking 3 and 4. This one ranked in just 1 minute. And you can actually see it was ranked in 1 minute. Now the question I have is, how good and how effective would this be to your business to be able to rank maybe 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a market that you specialize in, that people are going to go to Google and YouTube, the 2 top platforms for searching for business or services or trades. It would crush the competition. Now in the next video, what I'm going to share with you is how you can implement this same process on Google, so you'll be the number 1 on Google and the number 1 page on YouTube for your business. Now, if you've liked this video and found it of value and informative, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and it'll keep you up to date on any new videos coming out. And on the next video, we're going to share with you how we can do this on Google as well. Until then, have a great day.